Okay, my question is 9a, and the question is the square root of 24x squared y to the third plus xy square root 6y minus 5x square root 54y to the third. So what you're going to start off doing is you have to factor out 24x squared y to the third. So you're going to find the square root of this as much as you can. So you're going to factor out 24, which is 6 and 4. You're going to factor out 4, which is 2 and 2. And then this one is 3 and 2. So considering there's two 2's right here, you're going to pull a 2 out. So you're going to write a 2 over here. And then what's left inside is going to go inside the radical in just a minute. And then the x squared has 2 x's. So you're going to pull out the x. And then the y to the third is just 3 y's, and since there's 2 of them, then you're going to pull out a y over here, and then there's going to be this y left over. I'll put it in a box, and then I'll put this in a box. And then, so this one, we'll write it down here, is going to be 2xy square root of 6y. Sorry. And then the next one is fine because, as you can see, there's nothing you can really pull out. And conveniently, it's in terms of this one. So you're just going to add this one down here because there's nothing that you need to do to it. And then for this one, you're going to keep the -5 because it's not in the radical, so you don't have to simplify it. But you are going to end up multiplying whatever you pull out of here by this. So we're going to factor 54, which is 6 and 9. And then 9 is 3 and 3, 6 is 2 and 3. So since there's 2 3's, we're going to put that off to the side over here for now, 3. And then y to the third, which is the same as the other one, y. You're going to pull out that y, so then there's going to be a y right there. And then we're going to box this one because this is what's going to be left inside, and we're going to box that one because that's what's going to be left inside. And what you have to do now is you have to multiply the 3y times the -5x because remember, this is still right here. So then we're going to put that down here. It's going to be -15x and then the y from over there. So let's just write that right here, times 3y. And then you're going to put that right there. And then what's left in the radical is what I boxed. So conveniently, it's 6y. So since these are all in terms of each other in the sense that everything in the radical is the same and everything on the outside has the same variables, you can go ahead and just add them together. So it's 2 plus 1, which is 3, minus 15, which is -12xy. And then you just leave the square root of 6y. And then that's your answer.